Welcome to CopyMate Pro Max training video series. In this tutorial we are going to show you how to use AI Chat. Go to the left menu and click on AI Chat. Now you are on AI Chat section. Here you can chat with our AI Chat assistants. All of AI Chat assistants are experts in various fields. Just choose the AI Chat assistant according to your requirements. Drop your question, or you can also use our prompt library. And your result is ready. You can copy it or export it. Thanks for watching the video.